Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at some garage organization, and we're going to be using these jack stand wall mount organizers right here to get our jack stands off of the ground. Should be a pretty simple process right here. It comes with the hardware to install it, and then you have these brackets which just mount to the wall, and then they should just kind of sit up on your jack stand like so and hold it off of the ground and onto the wall here. So we'll see how it works. I don't know how well it will do, but I thought they looked kind of interesting and we'll give it a shot. So I have this area right here on the side of this cabinet that I built in my garage right here that I usually keep my jack right here, and I think it would be kind of nice to mount my jack stands right down here, so that way everything is kind of one spot. So if I need to grab it, I can just come over here and get everything instead of getting this from right here and then going all the way across the garage and getting the jack stands from somewhere else. So I'm gonna try and get them mounted over here to the side of this cabinet that I made right here, and we'll see how it works. To get an idea of where this is gonna land, I'm gonna use the jack stand here. I would like to try and put it as close as I can to the edge right here, just because this is only 1/2 inch or 3/4 plywood that I used on this right here. I have a 2x4 running behind here and a 2x4 on this side over here. If I punch through the middle of it, it's gonna have a screw sticking through there, so I'm gonna try and avoid that. So I'm gonna try and land it like right about over here. And that actually looks like a pretty good spot right here. So I'm gonna try and put this one right here. And in order to go on ahead and do this, it came with its own hardware right here, but these screws look kind of cheap and not that great. I guess you could use them, you know, if you wanted to, but I usually prefer these deck screws that I pick up from like Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that right there. They have a Torx head, which is a lot better and doesn't strip out like a Phillips head does, and they've just been a lot better in my experience. So this is what I'm going to use for mine, and we'll go on ahead and we'll put it in here and see how it goes here. We'll go on ahead and get a level on this right here and make sure that it's good, and then we can drive in the last screw here. Okay, let's go on ahead and see how that works now here. From my understanding, this should just kind of sit into here. For these types of jack stands right here, it is not working putting it on like that right there. It just doesn't have enough room to get it up onto there. So they do have this little opening on the bottom right here, and I believe that will sit on there. So let's try that and see. Yeah, that'll work. So these ones will have to go on there like that. I have another set that we'll try as well, and we'll see how they work with the other set. So let's see how this one goes onto here. There we go. So this works great for these types of jack stands. Again, for these newer type of jack stands, you're gonna wanna have to set it sideways on there. But yeah, I mean, so far it looks like it'll work out pretty good for us. So I'm gonna get the other one on here, and then we can go on ahead and get these mounted as well. Okay, so that looks a lot better right there. It doesn't jam up on the other one down there when putting it on, so I'm pretty happy with that. And then when we need to go grab it, we can just lift it right on off and go use it. So I like it. It does the job. It gets them out of the way. And for the other two, we'll just mount them sideways like that, so that way they can go on there with no issues here. Good to me, right about there. I did find some smaller screws. Hopefully they won't stick out too much through this, but if they do, I can always just kind of I can go through and cut off the head in the back right there to stop it from poking out into the storage. Head and just set them on like so, and that is good. Okay, so you know, I think this will work out pretty good for us right here. I'm pretty happy that there's different options to mount it, either facing out this way or vertically. So I definitely like that about it, and I think it'll be nice to keep these off the floor and kind of just in one central spot with everything. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys are interested in these, I will have a Amazon affiliate link in the description below here. Thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one.